Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing fantastic and I'm super excited to share this haul video. This is a clothing haul, and if you guys have noticed, I don't do too many clothing haul video, but whenever I have done it, you guys seems to have loved the haul video. So I thought today to do a try on clothing haul video with you all. So yeah, before me talking too many things, let's just get into the video. So the first thing what I'm going to show you is online store, which is Myntra. Of course, I love shopping from Myntra. I shopped few kurtis from Myntra and few footwears from Ajio, which I will show you. So the first product I have is this kurti, and let me just show you. I will show you the try on look as well because it is really long and I can't show in the screen. But yeah, I really love the color of this kurti. So let me just show you. So this is the kurti and it is from the brand Evis or Ivis. This retail for 1499 rupees. However, there is a discount, so I got this kurti for this one was for 720 rupees, and this is how the kurti looks like. It is really flowy and really nice material. I like the shine on this red top. I really like this kurti. I got this kurti because I have some functions, family functions coming up, so I wanted to wear some really nice cotton, it should look good also, as well as it should be perfect for summer. So I got this kurti and this is how it looks. I really like it. The next kurti which I have is, it's a very pretty kurti. I was not sure that it will look that pretty. Just take a moment, and yeah. And if you guys know, I am obsessed, or maybe you can say I love blacks. I have so many black and blue in my collection. So yeah, this is the next kurti, guys. Look at this. How gorgeous this kurti looks like. It's a really long kurti. You can see here, it's a really long kurti and it has a slit in the front. Now I am not so sure about the quality because this thing, whatever is there on this golden color thingy, it is not a thread work. I bought this kurti thinking that it has a thread work on it. That's the reason I bought this one. But after looking into it, it is like a print. It's like a paint. Not sure about the quality, whether it will last for really long, or maybe I will return this kurti. I may keep it or I may return it. But this fit and the look of this kurti is just so rich and so beautiful. This was for 650 rupees, guys. I think it is really good deal, after discount. The MRP of this kurti is 1356 rupees. It is mentioned over here, but after discount I paid 650 rupees, which is a steal deal. But still, I'm kind of not sure whether I'm gonna keep this kurti or not. Moving forward, from Ajio, I got two footwears. I love shopping from Ajio and their footwear quality is just amazing. If you guys have not seen my Ajio footwear haul, I will put the link somewhere on the screen. You can definitely check. I love shopping from Ajio, especially their footwear quality, and they are really affordable. Not affordable in the terms of when it is on sale, that's when they are affordable. Otherwise they are super expensive. I do not shop when they are on full price. So yeah, the first footwear which I got is, this is how the packaging looks like. The first footwear which I got, I absolutely love it. I can't tell you, and I can't wait to try this one. Let me just open it for you. Look at these shoes, guys. They are so pretty, and these are like a suede material. I really like the quality. These are the heels, and this retail for 1899, and my size is 39, guys. Overall, I got three shoes actually, and one I have already returned it because it did not fit me well. So I have kept these two shoes for myself, and this one was for 800 or 750. I'm not sure. I think it is 800. I'm not sure, but yeah, it is really good shoes. And the next pair of shoes are amazing, and you guys won't believe how much I paid for the shoes. You guys will be shocked to know how much I paid for these shoes. These are the gorgeous shoes. These are the pumps, and it has the beautiful gold like heels. I really like it, and there's a lining of gold as well. I love high heel shoes. I really like it, and yeah, this is how it looks. I paid only and only $650 for these shoes, and this actually retails for 1799, which is 1800. Yes, after discount I got this one at just for 650 rupees. Yes, it is a steel heel, guys. And yeah, they are very comfortable as well. I really like the quality of these shoes. And now moving forward, yesterday I was at the place called Anarkali. It is in Bangalore. I was there shopping, and I saw a place I saw this shop which is on the screen. You can see I saw this shop. It is called Classic Rags. They are also on Facebook. I'm not sure about Instagram, but they are also on Facebook. And I saw this shop and I was like, okay, let me go check what they have. They have some really amazing stuff. They do have men's clothing, kids clothing, and of course our clothing as well. So I picked a few dresses, and I'm going to show you what all I got, including the prices. So the first one I have is this beautiful legging. It has this polka dots on it, and it's a blue color. There is a color, there are few more color in this, white and navy blue and red as well. And I got this black because I'm obsessed with black, and this retail for 170 rupees. And the next one which I have is a beautiful dress. It is perfect for summers, and ta-da! This is how this dress looks like. I really like this dress, and this comes up to knee length, and the size which I got is XL, and this retail for 500 rupees. And this is how this dress looks like. I have been seeing these kind of dresses on shein.com and romway.com. like I will put a picture somewhere on the screen. You can see the comparison. I definitely feel this is worth, because those dresses on Shein and all other stuff are like for 1100, 1800 like that, but this is for 500 rupees. I really like it. You can style this dress in so many different ways. During winters you can pair this dress with leggings, boots and scarves, and yeah, you're good to go. I really like this dress. And moving forward, I've got another top. This is how the top looks like. I really like the quality and the design. These boho kind of tops are so much in these days. It comes with a nice tassel. I'm planning to change the tassel and add some nice metal tassel over here. It gives a nice weight, and there is everywhere this thread work going on. This is how it looks. These are all your thread work. I really like this top, and this one was for 300 rupees, guys. I really like this one. I saw myself, like there were so many people shopping from that store, like everything was just going like that. So yeah, I wanted to make sure that whatever I buy, those cold shoulders, off shoulders, are so many patterns they have. So this is my first ever white top, guys. I don't own a white top. This is my first ever white top, and look at the bottom. Ta-da! It is super pretty and perfect for summers. I absolutely love this top. This top is so pretty, and this retail for, let me just get the tag. Okay, this was for 450 rupees. Yes, this was for 450 rupees, but it is super comfortable. It is stretchy. I really like this top. This is my first ever white top, guys, because I don't usually wear white tops. And moving forward, I did get a night suit. They do have amazing qualities and amazing patterns of night suits. I wanted to buy a night suit which is like a short and spaghetti kind of thingy, but they did not have my size, and it has a beautiful print like unicorn and cupcakes. All cute things was there on the pant, but sadly they did not have my size, so I had to move on. I got this particular set, and this is the t-shirt, guys. It is a proper night suit. The set retail for 350 rupees. I feel it is quite affordable, and for the quality it is really good. Coming out of the shop, then I saw these cute night suits for my daughter, like for baby girls. So I got this cute one for my daughter. It has all Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck, daisy and so many other good things. So I got this cute little t-shirt which is a night set and night suit, sorry. It comes with a new beautiful baby pink or blush pink pant, the same print going around the side of the pant. I really like it. The quality of the pant and t-shirt is everything really good, and this one was for 300 rupees. And the last thing which I'm going to show you from the same store was these cute t-shirt. Has got this pom-pom flip-flops. This is how the t-shirt looks like. I saw these t-shirts on Reliance website also. It's like a collective, like you know when you collect those t-shirts which has got different prints. So this was also there, and that retail for 499 rupees, and this retail for 190 rupees. I can show you guys, like here is the price mentioned, 190 rupees. So I thought, you know, why to invest 499 there? I got this t-shirt just for 190 rupees. So yeah, I really like the color and the quality as well. So guys, with that said, I hope you enjoyed this haul video, and if you have any suggestions, please let me know. I hope this video was helpful, and I will put the address of this store in the description box. You can also follow them on Facebook. It is not a sponsor video. I got it from my own money. I just thought, you know, I should share the details with you because the quality are really good. And yeah, I shall see you guys in some other video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye guys.